Hi there. So today I'm going to talk a little bit about AI. We have had a lot of past clients lately coming to us asking, how do I show up in AI search results? How is SEO changing? What is going on out there with the AI taking over, how we are interacting with the internet? So I want to give you a quick tutorial on how to help AI crawlers and search engines know exactly what your website's about, how you can help them show you your website in their search results in AI summaries. And it's just a small piece of code you can add to your site. And I'm going to walk you through that now. It's called Schema, and it acts as like a small little business card for your website. So it tells the crawlers and the search engines what your website is, what kind of services you offer, where you're located, your phone number, what type of business you are, and things like that. So we have a blog post on this as well. If you would like to read it, you may click on over to that. But what you'll need, and this tutorial is for Squarespace websites only, but you'll need a Squarespace core plan. You need the ability to add custom code into your website, and you'll need the piece of custom code. So here is an example of what that looks like. And you can see the type is professional service. We are a professional service business. Our business name, this is what you would update that to your business name. You would update this to your website, your phone number, your address if you have one, and a description, and your city state. So basically anything within the quotation marks, you're going to update with your personal information, as this is just an example. There's also a website here, a schema markup generator. If you prefer to do it this way, you can hop on here and choose your type here. You would choose local business if you're a local business organization. If you're an organization, you can do a product. You can do different things here. So I'm just going to put in local business as an example. And you can fill out the information here. It's going to give you this code here, which you can then copy here. And if you want to learn more in-depth information about how schema works in the vocabulary, you can check out this website, schema.org. And it has a lot of really great information if you want to dive really deep into this. So the next thing you're going to want to do is get your piece of code. So let's say we've got our code ready. We are going to drop it into our website. And I have already put this on our website, so I'm going to show you where this lives. So you basically are just going to copy your code, and then you're going to head over in your Squarespace website to your Pages panel here. And when you're in your Pages panel, you're going to want to scroll down to the bottom to the Custom Code section. So Custom Code, Code Injection, and you are going to drop this in the header here. So let's see if I can find ours. Yep, here it is. So it's here at the bottom. We have some other code in there as well. And you can see ours is a bit more in depth. And we have our professional service, our name, our alternate name, our website, an image of our logo, our founding date. We don't have a postal address because we don't have a physical office building, but we are based in Charleston. We have some different socials here, and we have our service type here, and we have a price range here. So you can basically essentially copy this code. I'm going to drop it down in the description of this YouTube video so you can copy it, fill it out with your information, and drop it here into your header. Anywhere in the header will do. Just make sure if you have other code, you are putting it after a script tag. You don't want to break any other code. Once it's in there, a little save button will pop up. So you'll save it, you'll go back, and that's it. So the next thing you want to do is test it. So we recommend heading over to your rich test results here. You can enter your URL and test it. This may take a minute or two. So while that's working, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the other small piece of code you can add to your website, which is an llms text file. And that is, so we see the results have posted here. The llms text file is basically a bit more detailed Business card, it's a plain text document that lives on your website, and it tells AI crawler specifically how you use and understand your content. And that is something we have a tutorial on that coming next. It's a little bit more detailed in terms of how to add it to your site and how to generate it, but it's still totally doable with maybe a 30 minutes to an hour of sit down focus work. That said, we are going to look at the results here. We see that 2 valid items are detected. This means everything is good. All the check marks. We have a couple of orange. Those are warnings, so they're not they're non-critical issues, and that's like missing the telephone field, which we don't want that in there. We don't want to promote our telephone number at this time. So I can just ignore that. I know that it's working and everything looks good. And that is a simple way you can boost your chances of showing up in AI search results. Of course, this is not a magic bullet. This is not going to replace traditional SEO. This is not going to replace your blogging and updating your content and internal linking structure and everything like that. But this is a simple way to, give your website that business card that it needs and help it show up in more AI search results and AI summaries. If you have any questions, you can always reach out to us at team@lookandfeelbranding. And if you'd like us to add a schema file and LLMS text file to your website, we do offer that at $155, and we can get that done for you on any Squarespace site. Just email us at team@lookandfeelbranding and let us know what you're interested in, and we are happy to help.